So today I'm using the Tamron 10 to 24 mil on my Canon SL2, and let's see, it's got battery and SD card in there. Yeah. So I'm just gonna be really trying to get some really like obscure nature photography today using a 10 to 24. And you guys know that landscape photography is super hard to do wide angled, and without like a zoom lens, especially with like animals and stuff. But we're gonna try it out anyways because I'm really down for experimenting. See if we could like do something with this stack of wood right here. So I'm just gonna not even look through the filter, go all the way at 10, take a photo. That kind of actually looks really cool. What if I angle it up even more though? Over here. Yo, sick. Okay. Let's see. I think the first one was cool. All right, let's see if we can get anything else. And there's a mushroom right here that I really want to get. I just want to see if I could do this much. Frame it up kind of in the video mode and just kind of go for it. Here. Whoa, that looks sick. All right, let me try to do it again. Whoa, okay. I think I'm gonna switch up the settings again. Just because, you know, I want to shoot other things, not just fisheye. But I haven't shot fisheye like this. Okay, tell you what we're gonna do. Since I'm getting so many airs, I'm going to switch up the effect. And I want to do the grainy black and white. I feel like that's just one of my favorites. But on a wide angle, I feel like it's definitely something. Yeah, I'm gonna shoot these steps. Let's see. Yeah, I'm digging it. Let's see. Let's try to get some of this water pond right here. Oh, that's kind of sick. Wait. Let's see. Let's see. Definitely quite interesting. With digital, it's so hard to like look at your photos and like kind of like review it, but it's also kind of hard to see it, you know? Like when it's not on a big screen. So it's like hard until you fully see it, but we want to review it right away, right? So let's see. I think this tree is kind of cool. Just kind of, yeah, really creepy. Some long grass I'm trudging through, which is not good. It is breeding grounds for snakes. So there's that. It's very overcast, which it was like a really clear day. I like this this barbed wire fence over here. That's really intriguing, and I like how it's randomly sticking up. So let's see if we could try to capture that without getting bitten by a snake here. Yeah, I really like that. So let's see, we're gonna go all 10. I lost a lot of definition on that one. All right, let's see if I can get another one here. Let's see. Whoa, it's got that weird, like, interesting. Let's see. Let's try to get this. flash is really trying to help here, but maybe it's more interesting if we did it this way. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for. It just looks so interesting this way though. Oh, this stuff is kind of interesting right here. This is cool stuff. Let's see if we can do something with it. Whoa, that's awesome. I want to see if I can go through it to the other. Yeah, that's dope. I'm wondering if I like shoot into the sun, what it would do. Kinda cool. Hold up, what if I went like this? Full wide. That's kind of cool. Still interested in these fences over here, where there's shorter grass. Yep. Up over here, like this. This might be something. Here, I like the really like conjartedness of the post. Yeah. Sometimes it doesn't work and sometimes it does, you know? You just kind of have to figure out what does and what doesn't, you know? Anyway, yeah. I like the road. I like how broken up it is. So I'm gonna see what I can do with this. I hope you guys enjoyed that video. I don't know, this is like a little test if you guys enjoy my photography or not. Those were just 2 of the creative filters. Let me know if you want me to do more. Like there's like watercolor and like these really weird things that I don't see any photographers using. So let me know. I might do more. I might do like a little photography series. You never know. Yeah. See you guys in the next episode. Bye.